Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss. If you're a beginner cook, love to eat, or simply love making simple dishes, then this channel is for you. I've got a collection of simple, easy recipes but packed with flavors. Easy peasy and yummy, and that is my version in food. In this episode, I am going to share with you how to make a super moist, soft, and so flavorful banana bread. It is so easy and I am sure you will enjoy making it. So come on, let's get baking. And here are the ingredients. To start, we will peel off our ripe bananas. Let us now mash our bananas by hand, not too hard, and we must leave some lumps, because those lumps will keep our banana bread super moist. Now we incorporate our brown sugar, our granulated white sugar, and mix well. Then we will add our softened butter. Then we'll add our yogurt. Then whole eggs, so this is our wet mixture. And with the same bowl, we will incorporate our dry ingredients, and we'll start with the flour. And at the same time, we will pass it with our sieve, and we will add our baking soda, salt, and mix it, then sift it. And we have to mix it well, but gently. Then we switch from whisk to a spatula at this point. And we'll incorporate now our chocolate chips. And lastly, walnuts. You see how easy peasy it is? It's a one bowl mixture for your banana bread. Just remember, don't overmix, just fold it gently. Let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to make it more flavorful. And I will pour it into a loaf pan size 23 by 9 by 7 and lined with parchment paper. And we'll add more walnuts on top. And this is ready for the oven, which is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Baking time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Ta-da! This is our soft, super moist banana bread. This is for sure, the whole house will be filled with sweet smell of your banana bread. This smells so good. And with this good recipe, who can tell that you're just a beginner? So, the moment of truth. The crispiness outside and the soft and moist at the center. This is a perfect banana cake. It will blow your mind because it is soft, delicate, so yummy. You go mad. Wow! Please try it. I hope you enjoyed our episode for today. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and share button down below. Please join me again next Wednesday for another fun, exciting adventure in the kitchen, only here in Jules Flavor Bliss. Stay safe. God bless. Bye.